Hey guys, my name is Jonathan and welcome to the first video in the Raylock Python video series. So the purpose of this video is to give an overview of this series itself, and to start off with, we're going to address why are we even doing a Python video series. There's already plenty of tutorials online, specifically on YouTube, that go over Python, so what makes this one different? I'm going to say probably not much. The real reason we're doing this is to provide a single standard location for Engineer Sandbox users to learn Python easily. With that being said, a good foundation in Python will allow our users to get the most out of Engineer Sandbox, and in turn will make them much better engineers. In this series, we're going to start off simple and on the simple side. However, we will move into more advanced features and applications of the language. Most of these advanced features will be taught in the context of some real-world engineering applications. Once we get the basics out of the way, we will begin working on the Engineer Sandbox API video series that will cover not only how to make Engineering Sandbox apps, but will also actually create apps that will be in future versions of Sandbox. And you'll get to see all that development as it's happening. Any Python concepts we cover in that series, though, will be added to this series if it doesn't already exist. For example, if we're creating a Sandbox app that writes to a file, we will create a video in this series covering writing to files. By keeping these videos in sync, it'll help those coming in much later in the picture be able to get up to speed a lot quicker. Other than that, that's it. I believe the next video we may go over Python and give a background on the language itself. However, that's not really useful, and the point of this video series is more on application. But we may end up doing that anyway. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please leave us a like or comment, and you can actually give us feedback at info@raylock.com.